Hello friends, in bioinorganic chemistry we discuss much topic in previous lectures. In today's lecture would like to start the superoxide dismutate SOD, right? Superoxide dismutate, it is also called as SOD. Right? This superoxide dismutate, in this superoxide dismutate, oxidation state of oxygen is minus, right? How you if you think about superoxide dismutate, in the superoxide dismutate, disproportionation, that is same species undergo oxidation and reduction simultaneously, is taking place. That means superoxide dismutate undergo simultaneously oxidation and reduction, right? If you think about the types of SOD, that is superoxide dismutate, this superoxide dismutate is divided in two categories according to its origin, or you can say that not origin, according to it found, whether in human being or whether in other one, right? According to that purpose, superoxide dismutate is divided in two criteria, one found in a human, right, and second found in a bacteria, right? If you think about SOD which is found in a human body, this is copper zinc SOD, that is copper and zinc superoxide dismutate. And if you think about SOD found in a bacteria, it is again divided in two criteria, two classes, that is MnSOD, that is manganese containing superoxide dismutate, and ferrous containing superoxide dismutate, right one. So this is about the classification of superoxide dismutate. Now we think about copper zinc SOD, this is important one. So let's discuss about copper zinc SOD, right? So type first, I write here type first, that is copper zinc SOD, which is found in a human body, right? If you think about the structure of copper zinc SOD, obviously there are two active sites, one is copper and second one is a zinc in copper zinc SOD. First, copper, this copper is linked with the 3 nitrogen atoms of histidine, that is proteinous part, right? This is nitrogen of histidine, this is nitrogen of histidine, okay, imidazole ring. OH2, that is water molecule, is present. Remaining one binding site, nitrogen is present, right? This nitrogen is member of 5 ring, okay. Out of 2 nitrogen of this ring, one nitrogen is sp3 hybridized and second nitrogen is sp2 hybridized. This nitrogen possesses lone pair. These lone pair are donated to zinc, right? And this zinc again connected with 2 nitrogen like this. This is nitrogen of histidine ring, nitrogen of histidine ring, and oxygen which is part of aspartate, right? If you think about the geometry, in this geometry, this copper side is square pyramidal, right, while this zinc side is tetrahedral in the geometry. If you think about the copper, this is the active site, actually this is the active site, okay. In this active site of copper, copper oxidation state is +2, right? Then this water molecule is detachable, right? That means we can remove the water molecule, and if we remove the water molecule, there may be a new group will add here, right? If you think about the coordination number of copper 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? The coordination number of copper is 5, right? If you think about zinc active site, zinc is in +2 oxidation state, right? If you think about the coordination number of a zinc side, what is the coordination number? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means coordination number of zinc is 4, right? And geometry, of course, tetrahedral, right? If you think about the coordination sites of copper, coordination of site of copper containing 3 nitrogen atoms of histidine ring, 1 water molecule, and this nitrogen of this ring, right? And if you think about coordination sites of zinc, this zinc is coordinated attached with the 2 nitrogen atom of histidine ring, 1 oxygen atom of aspartate, and this nitrogen of this 5-member ring, right? Okay. Geometry here square pyramidal, and the geometry here tetrahedral. This is about the structure and the features of superoxide dismutage, right? If you think about the reactions of superoxide dismutage, reactions of SOD, right? If you think reactions, how? As I already stated, this superoxide dismutage disproportionation reactions are taking place. That means same species undergo oxidation and reduction during reaction, right? How? If you think about this O2 minus combined with 2 water molecule in presence of SOD, that is superoxide dismutage, this converted into H2O2 plus oxygen, right? Here same species undergo oxidation and reduction. If you think about this O2 minus, undergo oxidation and reduction in this reaction. How? O2 is converted into H2O2, O2 minus is converted into H2O2, reduction is taking place, right? And same species, that is O2 minus, is converted into O2, here oxidation reaction taking place. That means disproportionation reaction. Same species, that is O2 minus, undergo oxidation and reduction simultaneously in this reaction, right? It is called as disproportionation reaction, right? If you think about